Yeah, hello scrappers. I'm out here in this one job picking the stuff up. I was going to get the car body on the first load, but he's got everything kind of pulled up into a pile, and I went up, loaded all this sheet aluminum up. Pretty good amount of that, a lot of good pieces. And these little seed broadcasters, he does lawn maintenance and stuff. He's got 200 acres out here, but right now I'm going to load up these two propane tanks. He's got the car body buried, so I'm going to load the two propane tanks up, kind of put them one on each side here, and then I'll drag the two. I'll drive back up on the hill, get the two central air units on here, and then he's got some other stuff to load up, and then I'll get that on home and get it unloaded, come back and get the car body, and then he's got some other stuff. So we'll see how this thing, I probably need to hook, I may need to go down on that bottom leg and wrap a chain on it. I'm afraid right there pulling on that, I may just roll that thing over. So I'm going to get a small chain on that real quick, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, it'd be terrible rolling that on its side. That looks a little better. Plus with it up high, I feel it'd be pulling it downwards and maybe cause it to hang. Okay, I'm going to stop right there, level this out, and then see what we got. Yeah, I'm getting wound up to this one side pretty heavy. So I think I'm going to hook to the opposite side now of the tank to where it can pull it more to this side. So I'll just give it some slack and go from there. Okay. Got it hooked. Thing should slide pretty good on this metal. Well, this one went real well, so hopefully the next one will go just as well. I'll reposition the trailer, figure out where I'm going to hook onto that next one, and then we'll get it on up here. Okay, this is the rest of what I got to get. I got to get these two units. I got to pull forward about a foot. Not sure if I want to take this or not. Twist it up chain length, and I got this car body. Gonna have to cut that up since no title, and then I got some bob wire here, looks like aluminum wire cable, and then some heavier metal right here. So what I might do, load those two AC units on there, and then maybe try to pull around over here and get this little bit right here thrown on, and then come back, try to push that out of the way maybe, and load the car body up, or see if I can't somehow throw that up on top of here. Yeah, or I can just try to put it on the back of the trailer, push it out of the way, get the car body up there, and then throw it on. I wish he was here with his skid steer. It'd make my life a lot easier. Anyway, I'm going to pull forward and then wrap a chain around that, try to drag it on, and we'll get that done. Okay, I thought I'd just tilt this down and try to flip that over on here and strap it down instead of trying to work around it. I got the tank strapped down. I got to fold that one strap up. Got a strap around those. They're strapped off to the tanks. So I'm just going to tilt this over, then try to flip it over a couple times and get it up as far as I can, and call it good. Hopefully that car will fit far enough forward I can get the rest of that stuff that's behind it on there. And some of it I might be able to throw in the back of the truck. So I'm going to get this on, and I'll go ahead and tilt this down, and hopefully the camera will stay here. I don't know if you guys have a view or not. So let me tilt it up and we'll see what we got. I don't know if I can see anything through this camera or not anyway, honestly. Yeah, it's a mess. My ad, I tell them no fencing, please. I should just shove this aside and not even take it, but looks like it's some kind of a cage. Got any wire cutters with me either. Okay, I'll see if I can get a strap over that, and we'll call it good. Get a strap over that and we'll call it a load. I'll get it out by the road and I'll check it. Okay, we got that up there. Now I just got to back up so I can load up all them other goodies over there. So, tilt this down some and back it up.